welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This cargo Boeing 747 landing at LAX was forced to go around at the last second due to wind shear, but it was too late and one of its engines struck the ground. After that, the go-around was performed and the aircraft diverted to another airport and landed safely. This instructor showing how to do a forward slip, which is used to lose altitude quickly without gaining excessive airspeed. This Airbus A321 landing hard, resulting in a bounce at Innsbruck Airport. These two F-15s making unrestricted climbs. This Boeing 767 using reverse thrust on a wet runway, showing the engine's power. This Finnair Airbus A330 was approaching Copenhagen Airport but was forced to go around. The reason was an Airbus A319 that was too slow to vacate the runway. If you want to see more, subscribe and click the video on the screen to watch another episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.